You earn good money every single month, but at the end of the month, it is all gone. Not because you bought something crazy or went on vacation, it just disappeared into your everyday life without a trace. This is not about earning more money, it never was. This is about the hidden system working silently against you every day. There are 5 hidden reasons you are still broke right now. Most people never find out what they are. You will today. Hidden reason number 1 is lifestyle inflation. It happens automatically. Every time your income goes up, your spending rises with it. The apartment feels too small. The car feels too old suddenly. Each upgrade felt justified. The combined result destroyed your raise completely. The average American receives a 4% raise every single year. Within 90 days, 91% of that raise is spent. Your raise never reached your savings account, not even once. A $5,000 raise invested for 30 years at 9%. That becomes $681,000 of real wealth. You spent it on things you cannot even name today. The fix is simple. Automate 50% of every raise immediately, before your brain reclassifies it as money available to spend freely. Stay with me because hidden reason 3 is the one nobody discusses. Hidden reason number 2 is the monthly payment trap. It is everywhere. Americans do not ask what things cost. We ask about payments. The average American carries $429 in car payments. Add subscriptions, credit cards, and buy now pay later commitments monthly. Most households carry over $900 in monthly payments right now. $900 invested monthly for 30 years at 9% returns. That becomes $1.5 million. Gone to payments instead. Payments feel small because they are designed to feel small intentionally. $70 a month sounds fine. That is $840 annually. Hidden reason number 3. Nobody talks about this one, ever. It is called financial invisibility. It is destroying more wealth than anything. You have no real idea where your money goes monthly. Studies show most Americans are off by over 30% in estimates. You think you spend $200 on food delivery every month? Your bank statement says $340? Every single month, that invisible $140 invested for 20 years monthly becomes over $100,000 you never even knew you lost. You cannot fix a leak. You absolutely cannot see ever. Pull up your last 3 months of bank statements right now today. Categorize every single transaction. Find the invisible money that keeps disappearing. What you discover will genuinely shock you. It always does. If this is already helping you, hit the like button now. Subscribe for weekly videos on exactly how money works in real life. Hidden reason number 4 is the wrong priority order every month. Most Americans pay everyone else first and themselves very last always. The mortgage company gets paid first, car loan gets paid second, Netflix gets paid third. You get whatever small amount is left. What is left is usually nothing, or close enough to nothing.
You are funding everyone else's wealth before you fund your own. This is the exact opposite of how wealthy people manage money. The wealthy pay themselves first. Every single paycheck, without any exception whatsoever. The moment a paycheck arrives, money moves automatically to savings and investments. Before any bill is paid, before any spending happens at all. 10% of $60,000 invested for 30 years automatically builds $960,000, almost $1 million total, built entirely by paying yourself before anyone else gets one single dollar. Hidden reason number 5 is having no emergency fund at all. When you have no cushion, every emergency becomes a new debt event. Car breaks down, medical bill arrives, appliance fails, all go on credit. 59% of Americans cannot cover $1,000 emergency expenses. The majority of the country is one bad week from falling behind. One emergency compounds into 3 months of painful financial recovery time. The emergency fund is not savings. It is your financial defense system. Without it, every small hit lands directly on your net worth immediately. 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in a high yield account. That single move stabilizes your entire financial life, starting from today forward. Now here is the actual step-by-step fix for everything above. Start with one number. Calculate exactly what you need monthly to live. Not what you spend, what you actually need to survive comfortably. Multiply that number by 3. That is your emergency fund target today. Open a high-yield savings account at Fidelity or Marcus right now. Set up an automatic weekly transfer until that target is completely reached. Next, go through every subscription and recurring payment you currently have listed. Cancel anything you have not used in the last 30 days immediately. The average American saves $130 monthly from this step. Now list every monthly payment outside of housing you are currently making. If that total exceeds 20% of take-home pay, it is a problem. Attack the highest interest rate debt first, with every extra available dollar. Credit card debt at 21% is the worst financial product available. Nothing you invest in will beat the guaranteed return of paying it off. Once consumer debt is gone, increase your automated investment to 15%. Put it into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. The S&P 500 has averaged 10.5% annually over the last 30 years, consistently through every crash and every recovery. $1,000 monthly at 10% for 30 years becomes $2 million. You do not need to pick stocks, you just need to start. Now, fix lifestyle inflation permanently with one rule you never break again. 50% of every raise goes to investments before you ever see it. The other 50% you spend however you want, no guilt ever. But the first half must move before the lifestyle adjusts to absorb it. The hidden reason you are broke is not bad luck at all. It is an invisible system running against you every single day currently. Lifestyle inflation steals your raises. Payments convert income into someone else's profit daily. Financial invisibility hides the leaks. Wrong order funds everyone else before you. No emergency fund turns every bad week into months of painful setback. Every single one of these is completely fixable starting right now, today. None require a higher income. None require a financial degree of any kind. They require one decision made today and one automated system set up this week. The gap between where you are and where you want to be, it is not income. It is information applied consistently over time, always. You now have the information. The consistency starts in the next 60 seconds. Hit the like button and subscribe for more weekly wealth building content here. The hidden reason you are still broke ends today. Your system changes now.